And now we are going to unwrap Wild Bloom. Oh my God, मुझे लगता है मैं सब suits को ही कह रही हूँ कि they are going to be my favorite ones. Yet again, another one which I would love to call my favorite one. And I'm sure you will find it to be one of your favorites too. So let's see. This is one of the effortless ones too. Just check out the neckline. आपका already गला इस पे बना हुआ है. And then it's all beautifully embroidered. Just check out the delicate embroidery, the color combinations. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. So, करोशी के लिए सभी उन्होंने में दी हुई है, वो बिल्कुल बारीकी से इधर यहाँ अटैच होगी, ठीक है? That's it. बाकी ये सारा आपका हुआ आपको मिल रहा है. Okay, let's open this up. हमारे left और right के embroidered panels आ गए. I'm loving this collection. Beautiful one. Gives a very Pret-type vibe to it. ठीक है जी. ये आ गई जी हमारे बैक का फैब्रिक. Now, this one is for the neckline. हमें जो उन्होंने neckline दिया हुआ है, insert बना हुआ, उसके साथ ही आपका आगे neckline आ जाएगा. Beautiful embroidery. You can see. Delicately embroidered. The color combination is perfect. Very, very nice. Very earthy tones. Just giving it a very classy vibe. ये आ गया जी हमारे घेरे, चाकू, स्लीव्स के आगे के लिए और एक काफी abundance में the length of it. So organza की बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत ज्यादा लेस है. इस जोड़े पे कम भी लगा लोगे ना तो किसी और प्लेन जोड़े पे भी लग सकती है. But of course, पहले इसको enhance कर लो. Then we have the Karoshia laces. These Karoshia laces will go for the finishings of the neckline of your sleeves. Then of course for the daman. बहुत ज्यादा ये भी आपके पास लेस. ठीक है जी. Oh my God, just check out this cute tassel button. This is beautiful. So this would come here and here. ठीक है जी. ये आपके आ गई. यहाँ के लिए neckline के आगे के लिए ये आ गई हमारी embroidered sleeves. I love the sleeves. Look at it. Beautifully done. Check it out. Right? ये हमारी sleeves आ गई. Embroidered. Okay जी. Then we have this very nicely done, giving a very pretty ethnic touch to it. Crinkle chiffon ka digitally printed dupatta. Love it. All right. Yeah, dupatta. Then of course we have our trouser fabric, which can be made into a trouser, shalwar, whatever. And for the finishings, we have this beautiful organza ke lace for the finishings of it. Isko applique kara lo. Simple suit, but very beautiful and classy. Wild Bloom. And now we are going to unwrap Ethereal Eden, which is in the beautiful sky blue tones. You're going to love the embroidery on it. You can clearly see the delicacy. I love how they do this delicate embroidery. आपको बहुत calm collections, बहुत calm designers ये देते हैं चीज. So this is lovely. Just check out. I love this concept of outline with this. It's a beautiful, beautiful amalgamation of both. So I love it. ये आपका front का center panel है. The neckline is all embroidered for you. ठीक है जी. ये आ गया. Then we have these side panels. ये हैं जी हमारे दो panels left and right के. Okay. Moving on. We have this for the sleeves and the back. और इसकी sleeves are beautifully embroidered. Just check out the organza की embroidered lace. So you're going to have this appliqued on the sleeves. This is gorgeous. And with this, they have provided you with a lace. आपकी ये भी sleeves की insert lace है. And then this is for the finishings of your trouser and your sleeve. ठीक है जी. आपकी crochet की laces आ गई. So you have pretty much in abundance. I love it. ये आपकी इस तरह एक लेस तो ऐसे आ जाएगी insert में. Then the other one will be here. ठीक है जी. और इसी तरह trouser पे आ गई. Then we have these tassels for the neckline. I love it. I love the tassels. Everything, in fact. It's very thoughtfully, beautifully created and crafted for you people. ये आगे जी आपके घेरे के लिए and for your chalks. या आप ऊपर तक आप बेशक लगा लो. This is beautifully embroidered on organza. Then for the घेरा, ये आ गई आपकी घेरे की लाइट सी. आप इसको बीच में से काविया भी करा सकते हो, which is the spacing out, and this can give it a very nice classy look, or you can even leave it as it is. Even then it's going to look very pretty. ये आ गया जी हमारा digitally printed dupatta. Oh my God, this is very nice. Just check it out. Soft. And I love the colors and the print. It's not dark to the eyes. It's just so subtle and pretty. So this is where the dupatta goes. And of course, our trouser fabric. And don't miss the trouser key lace. You have to just get it appliqued. And this is going to make your trouser look so pretty. Imperial Eden is definitely an. So we are going to unwrap Enchanted Vine now. और इसका बहुत ही pretty pinky tones आप देख सकते हो. This is gradient dyed as well. Soft pink से going to a brighter pink tone. But in the same family of pink, of course. ये आ गया जी हमारा center panel. You're going to love it. Just check out the beautiful embroidery. This is how it is. और ये इतना छोटे छोटे motifs का छान है ऊपर तक. Then we have ये घेरे के लिए हमारी just check it out. ठीक है जी. ये आ गई और ये आ गई. And for the extension of it, we have this. So ये हमारी घेरे की बहुत ही beautifully organza पे embroidered lace आ गई. Then we have this to further enhance the daman of the shirt. You can check this. This is beautiful and delicately embroidered. Okay, now ये है जी हमारी sleeves की. Love it. ये आ गई हमारी sleeves की embroidered motifs. You are going to love this. And not just this, sleeves के आगे के लिए we have this lace. So you can see it. ये motif हमारा आया, then this. और बीच में हमारी crochet की इन्होंने lace दी होगी, वो आएगी. अभी देख लेते हैं. And yes, it's here. So हमारी crochet की एक lace है for the sleeves, which is this one, and this is for the neckline की finishings के लिए, right? अच्छा जी, उसके बाद आ जाता है हमारा neckline, just like this. Oh, like this. This is beautiful and delicately done. And of course, the beautiful customized आपके tassel buttons that will complement it perfectly. ये आ गई gradient dyed हमारी back and of course sleeves. And then we have the chiffon के digitally printed dupattas. I'm sure all of you are going to love these dupattas. They will be the dupattas which we will actually be using and loving. I love the color combination. Very pretty. Looks like a candy shop के pretty colors. And then of course look at the print at the four sides. Love it. And then we have the trouser fabric. और trouser के साथ हमारी बहुत ही beautifully embroidered ये lace है, which is going to be appliqued on. Love, love, love it. You're going to love Enchanted Vine. Definitely. And now we are going to unwrap Rosary Dream for you. Just check out the beautiful burnt orange color. Perfect for evenings and of course for lunch wear as well. Wait, summers में हम already इतने dull हुए थे कि we need some brightening up. And this one is definitely the one for you. Look at the beautiful, beautiful embroidery. I love, just check out outline and then these leaves, how they're done. It's beautifully done. They give attention to each and every detail of the outfit, which is amazing, right? Who does it? Not many for sure. And this definitely is one जिसमें effortless stitching है क्योंकि this is all over. Then of course you have the sleeves. Here are the sleeves. Beautifully done, very creatively done, and I love it. Not much to hanker on for this one. So look at this one. This is for the neckline. This beautiful organza का embroidered lace. I love it. एक गला कहते हैं, tailors call it Telenor gala. So you can do it in Telenor gala like this or any other way. But you have the lace. So play around with it. Then we have the back fabric. Now, this beautiful silk embroidered lace is for the chalk, आपके ऊपर तक, then your khera, then of course your sleeve. See, this is giving a very nice classy vibe to it. So ये आपका embroidered silky lace आ गई throughout. And oh my god, this huge pack of your crochet laces. So crochet laces are in abundance for the neckline, for the side slits, for the front panel. My god, you have a lot of crochet laces. Like chori pretty ones are there for you to play around with on your jewel. And then we have these beautiful crochet आपके buttons हैं. इसमें भी आपके crochet के motifs हैं ऊपर. And then of course silk के मरे हुए balls with the tassels and my pearls and the shells. These are just so pretty. You're going to love this one. Just check it out. Not just this, then we have this dupatta. So the dupatta is in very, very pretty contrasting tones. So burnt orange base hai, and dupatta is in these aqua tones. Just look at it with, of course, the burnt orange accents and other colors. But beautiful, beautiful print. Looks like a watercolor painting. So beautiful one. And then, of course, the trouser. Rosary Dream is definitely. और अब मैं आपके लिए रिवील करूंगी Garden Royale. You are going to like this for sure. Very, very summery tones. And of course, not just summery tones, I love the gradient dyeing concept. Just check it out. It's gradiently dyed, and I love the beautiful embroidery. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Looks like a cluster, but very delicately done if you look at the stitches closely. Gorgeous. और ये है इसका पूरा neckline बना हुआ है, complete. Just check it out. Beautiful embroidery all over. और उसके बाद है हमारा इसके साइड के पैनल्स, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. Just check these out. Beautiful embroidery, very delicate, but very, very intricately done for you. So you have a classy suit all set to be stitched. ये आ गए आपके दो पैनल्स, right? और ये हमारे gradient dyed sleeves and back fabrics of course. अच्छा जी, ये आ गई बहुत ही pretty हमारी घेरे की. Just check it out. ये हमारे दामन पे पूरी ये प्लीक हो जाएगी and I love it. ये organza पे ऐसे लग रहा है कि जिस तरह आपका चिकनकारी embroidered है. Very nicely done. Then we have this for the finishings of the chalk and all. काफी ज़्यादा ये भी embroidered. Organza की, just look at it. Lovely. Delicately done, love it. And then we have this. ये आ गई आपके दामन पे आगे पीछे के लिए. बहुत ही pretty embroidery है. In beautiful color combination. Very decent, very classy. अच्छा, ये आपको उन्होंने दो motives दिए. वैसे तो हमारा गला पूरा complete बना हुआ है. But if you want to enhance it any further, you can use these beautiful, beautiful motifs. Check out the embroidery on it and the color combination. This is really, really pretty. तो आप दोनों तरफ कर सकते हो shoulders पे. ये इधर इन्होंने किया हुआ शूट की पिक्चर में, like here and here. But of course, वैसे तो complete है. अगर आपने नहीं भी करना तो you can easily get away with it. Then we have this beautiful pack of crochet laces for the front panel, for the front daman, and of course the neckline. काफी ज़्यादा है ये, my God. You can easily play with these on this suit or make another one. इतनी लेसें दे दी आपको कि आप आराम से enjoy करो. Now this is for the sleeves. अच्छा, ये बहुत ही interesting है इसकी sleeves के लिए. Embroidered sleeves का हमारा organza आ गया. Okay, here we go. And then these are for the inserts here. So you can easily place it here like this. ठीक है जी. So ये आपके sleeves के लिए आ गया. These are the beautiful silk and pearl tassels आपके, and you have to place them on the neckline. ये आपका पूरा pack आ गया. Then of course our digitally printed chiffon ke dupattas, for which for me are the highlight of this collection. I love it. I love chiffon ke dupattas. They're always so pretty, elegant, and yet so breezy. Oh, I love it. This definitely looks like a watercolor painting for me. बहुत ही pretty दुपट्टा है इसका, and then of course trouser. Garden Royale is definitely a breathtaking. और अब हम unbox करेंगे Bloomville, which is the last one, but definitely not the least one. This is a beautiful, beautiful one with lots of beautiful significant features of this outfit. So I will show you all of them. ठीक है जी. This is made into a short shirt here, but you can easily make it into a long one. They are giving you complete fabric for it. So do not be fooled by it. क्या है, हम बना नहीं सकेंगे. You can make it into a short one. If you love short shirts, you can make it into a long one if you love long ones. So look at it. Beautiful. बहुत ही खूबसूरत embroidery. Check it out. The detailing, the effort put in. ठीक है जी. ये आ गया आपका front का panel, and अगर आप शॉर्ट शर्ट बना रहे हो तो लेफ्ट सी इसका कंप्लीट नेकलाइन उन्होंने आपको एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड दे दिया है. आप इसको इधर कर लोगे, और अगर आपने लंबा करना है तो ये आप थोड़ा सा ऊपर करके लगा लोगे. यू विल हैव अ कंप्लीट लॉन्ग शर्ट एज वेल. सो दिस इज जस्ट योर चॉइस कि आप कैसे करना चाहते हो. आई लव द नेकलाइन एम्ब्रॉयडरी एज वेल बाय द वे गाइस. ये आ गई हमारी. देन ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव आवर बैक एंड स्लीव्स फैब्रिक. ये आ गई इसकी बहुत ही प्रिटी क्रोशे की लेस है फॉर द नेकलाइन एंड द स्लीव्स. ये है नेकलाइन के लिए एंड ये है फॉर द स्लीव्स. ठीक है जी. फिनिशिंग्स के लिए फॉर द स्लीव्स वी हैव दीज मोटिव्स. Aren't they lovely? This outfit gives a very pret type vibe. Very, very pretty, vibrant fuchsia tones are actually complementing it for the evenings and for dinner wear. उसके बाद जी आ जाती है हमारी बहुत ही खूबसूरत organza embroidered बेल की लेस. Oh my God, love it. Just look at the beautiful बेल. और कैसे incorporated, just look at this. If you cut it out like this, oh my God, this is definitely going to give a very pret type vibe. So आपका formal आराम से ये use हो सकता है summers में. And I love the tassel buttons. Oh my God, these portlies at the end with their crochet flowers and these organza ball buttons with the pearls. It is gorgeous, gorgeous, and so pretty. Love it. Love the detailing on it. And this is the, once again, मैं हर दफा बहुत एक्साइटेड होती हूँ शिफॉन के दुपट्टों पे. सो वंस अगेन आई विल गेट एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई एम लविंग दीज शिफॉन दुपट्टास. सो ये आ गया हमारा डिजिटली प्रिंटेड शिफॉन दुपट्टा which is in these beautiful contrasting tones, giving it a beautiful vibrancy, yet keeping it classy and subtle. ये आ गया जी हमारा embroidered trousers. So this was the highlight of this outfit. As I said, this is completely embroidered with chun all over. So this is our trouser fabric. You are going to love Bloomville